In this video, I'll show you how to install Noptin and get everything set up in just a few minutes. Noptin is a fast, privacy-friendly email marketing plugin for WordPress. Unlike most email platforms, it runs directly on your own website, which means you keep full control of your subscribers and your data. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar on the right, simply type Noptin. When you see the Noptin logo, click Install Now, and then hit Activate. After activating the plugin, Noptin automatically launches a quick setup wizard to guide you through a few simple steps to configure Noptin based on how you plan to use it. Let's walk through it. Click Start Quick Setup. The first step asks how you want to use Noptin. You have two options. Option 1, manage data on your site. This means Noptin will store your subscribers directly in WordPress and send emails from your own website. You can use this to build a full email marketing system. Send newsletters, automated emails, post notifications, and more, all without paying monthly SaaS fees. Many users choose this option to replace services like MailChimp while keeping their data private and under their control. Alternatively, if you want to send data to other tools like MailChimp or Google Sheets, select the second option. Note that connecting to external services requires a valid license key. If you're managing data on site, first set up your sender identity. This is the name and email your subscribers will see in their inbox. You can also set your sending rate here. These settings control how quickly emails are sent to your subscribers. For better deliverability, you can later connect Noptin to an SMTP service such as Amazon SES, SendGrid, Mailgun, or your own SMTP server. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Next, you'll see the integration screen. Integrations allow Noptin to work with other WordPress plugins. The integrations shown here depend on the plugins installed on your site. For example, if WooCommerce is not installed, the WooCommerce integration will not appear. This keeps Noptin lightweight and avoids installing features you don't need. Simply install the integrations you want, then click Continue. After installing integrations, you'll configure them. For example, you might enable subscription checkboxes on comment forms or registration forms. Each integration has simple settings to control how subscriber data is collected. Once everything is configured, click Complete Setup. If you selected Send Data to Other Tools earlier, the setup is slightly different. Before installing any connections, you'll need to activate your Noptin license key. If you already purchased one, you can find it in your account at my.noptin.com. If you don't have a license yet, you can purchase one at noptin.com/pricing. After activating your license, you'll be able to install connections for services like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, CRMs, and other marketing tools. Once installed, the remaining setup steps are similar. You simply configure the integrations you want to use. Note that the email sending settings step is skipped, since emails will be handled by those external services. One thing that makes Noptin different is its modular design. Instead of installing one large monolithic plugin, Noptin keeps things lightweight by using installable add-ons. You only install the features you actually need. For example, if you want to send WooCommerce customers to Google Sheets, you simply install the WooCommerce add-on and the Google Sheets add-on. That's it. No heavy plugin bundles or unnecessary features. Please subscribe for more tutorials and tips.